Man, some of the new arrivals this past couple of weeks is amazing vehicles. The 32 Ford Model B convertible sedan that came in. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness gracious. This thing, black over Bordeaux red, really a rare build. You don't see many of these. It's got a 383 stroker in it.
of course it does.
Yeah, because
is that a resto mod? Would you call that a resto mod?
Yeah, I guess it would be a resto mod.
Technically it is.
Yeah, it's not really a hot rod as much as a resto mod because it's 8 throttle body injection, modern rodder feature car. So they thought it was a feature car. Near flawless build, which we like to say. But this is really an interesting car. And only 275 miles on it since they restored it.
Beautiful.
Or built it, I guess would be a better term. But the seats came from a Corvette. I mean, this thing is just really spectacular. And it's priced, at what you would expect for something that took probably 1,000 hours or 2,000 hours. You always read about that and you think, did somebody really add up all the hours that it took?
It's a funny story about this car.
Yes.
When we first got it in, it's always in the back, the back section. And I was just, leaving for the day and I always check out the cars that are in there because I like to touch them when I'm going to write about them. And I opened the door to that one and closed it. And it was just something different about that. And then I got the details and everything and realized that this is a high-end build.